Don't know what stretch cord to use for your project? Let me help you. Hello, good people. This is Sherry. Today I'm going to talk about stretch cord. You know, there are those of us who love to make bracelets, stretch bracelets, and you wonder what cord is going to be the best or more durable. Because when we make our bracelets, we want them to last forever. And spoiler alert, when you're using elastic, it's not going to last forever. But if you use the best quality, you have a chance of it lasting a long time and having great wearability. So we're going to talk about these three top brands of stretch cord. We're going to talk about Stretch Magic, and a lot of people are familiar with Stretch Magic. It comes in different sizes. This size is 0.7, and you can see, so you can use it in beads with a small hole. It comes even smaller. I know there's 0.5 that I've used before. So the second one we're going to talk about is power cord. And I found out about power cord after I started using Stretch Magic because, you know, Stretch Magic was recommended to me. But power cord is also one of the top brands. And then the third one that we'll talk about is Beadalon Elasticity. All right. When we compare power cord to Stretch Magic, power cord seems to come out the winner because it's believed that power cord is stronger. Now, you know that whenever you're using, or you may or may not know, whenever you're making whenever you're making stretch bracelets, one of the first things that you need to do before you start putting your beads on is to stretch your elastic. And because of the stretching, it's said that power cord is the strongest of the three. And it has, when you're making your knots, it's easier to make your knot with the power cord. They say with Stretch Magic, it's a little bit more bulky when you're making your knots. But they are both really considered to be really top notch when you're talking about stretch cord. So the choice often comes down to what your personal preference is. Power cord comes out on top for being durable, and Stretch Magic comes out on top because it's a reliable standard. It's easier to find Stretch Magic, but both of them are really, really good quality. Okay, and then coming in third is Beadalon Elasticity. And it comes in third because what's said about it is that it's good for if you have something that you want to drape a little bit, because it's not as strong as these other two, but it's still good if you're just starting out and if this is what you can find. So the way that we would rank them is power cord number one, and I know that's probably a surprise to people. Stretch Magic number two, and then coming in at number three is Elasticity. All of them, it's recommended that once you tie your knot, that you put a little bit of glue on that knot if you want to feel confident about it. And here's an example of a stretch. Oh, also the cords, some of them come in different colors. So you can see I have a dark color here, but this is an example of a stretch bracelet if you haven't made them yet. But once the bracelet is closed, you cannot see the cord. Okay, I'm going to make some recommendations. Okay, this is on stretch cord, but it's a necklace, so you know it has some drapeability. So elasticity is fine to use on if you're going to make something like this. Okay, if you've got something that's these are what, 6mm beads, I believe, something like that. These are lightweight beads. I don't see the size, but it looks like they're, let's see, no, this says 10. Okay, 10mm, but they're light beads. So the stretch magic is fine for this. And even a thicker gauge would be fine for heavier beads. Okay, when you've got these big babies here, these big heavy beads, you're gonna need something like power cord, or you need to get a thicker gauge of the stretch magic. So I just wanted to make some recommendations on how you could use these 3 different brands of elastic. All right, good people. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip about stretch cord. All right, good people. I hope this tip was helpful for you. If you're new here, my name is Sherry. I'm the owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. You know the drill. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know if this was helpful. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.